Hi everybody, welcome to this week's vlog, which I'm going to be shooting water droplets, and looks like Poppy is going to be giving me a little bit of a hand. What I'll do is I'll run through the equipment, take a few shots, show you the results. Some of them can be stunning. It's something I learnt at my camera club 2 or 3 years ago now. Really interesting. The water tension's amazing when you capture it. So let's have a look at that. And before we go through the equipment, if you don't mind, would you subscribe to the channel, and then if you like this video, give it a thumbs up at the end. That'd be brilliant. Thanks. So basically, the equipment you need, I've got an old broom handle attached to 2 light poles, anything that'll create a bridge over the top. That you're going to tape your bag to, bag of water. I've got a dish of water underneath with another dish inside to catch any overspill, because you need to fill it right up to the top to get the drop effect. Behind there I've just got a cereal box with a black background, piece of black felt fastened to it, and then to do the catching I've got my camera on a tripod virtually level with the top of the bowl so you can see the splash come out. Flash, which is going on now. And then a cable release, just so you don't knock the camera while you're taking your shots. Just hang the bag on, ready to go. The bag's already got a hole in it. Don't know if you can see that. What I'll do, that's the bag, that's a little pinhole in the bottom of the bag, just dripping down into the bowl, and when it hits are the shots that you're after capturing. Just to briefly mention, to help with the focus, what I've done, I've put that box with some writing on about halfway over the ball, and then I've come round, set the camera up completely manual, zoomed it in ×10, focused on the writing, so that should be perfect. Now set at f5.6. The shutter speed will go up to 200 to sync in with the flash. So there we go, dripping into the bowl. Camera. Couple of shots. Let's just have a look. There's one. Zoom it in. And there you have it. Big tower. Miss. Little drop on its own. Few drops there. Another good lump of drops there. What I'll do, I'll edit these up. I'm also, in a moment, I'm going to try a couple of different. I'm going to try milk, which is slightly thicker and should look better. Okay, just a little word of warning, the milk does make a little bit more mess than the water. You can see it bounces quite a bit, even right out to here where the pin was. Yep, so I've took a few shots. Let's have a look on the back of the camera and see what we've got. That was me just nearly falling over. Okay. Looks pretty good. Oh, it is. That's one of the crowns. That's a crown. That's what you're aiming for. That's the best one I believe you can get. There's an milk bubble. A couple of little towers. Quite well with those. So what I'll do, I'll edit some of these and I'll add them in, and then we'll just have a little chat at the end. Okay, so I've got a brew, been through the images, picked out a few of the good ones, and what I'll do, I'll just quickly flick through them, let you see them on the screen, and just have a little description. So anything, here's what it is, it's a water drop. Okay then. Oh, before I do that, I just want to say, if you like this video, would you please give it a thumbs up, click the subscribe and also the bell icon, and you get to see any more videos that I get to produce. Hopefully most of them will be outdoor on location vlogs. unfortunately, because of the situation. That's why we're stuck inside at the minute, and I've done this one. Okay, thanks. Right, first image. It's basically just a full-size shot. I use my Canon 5D Mark II across the table. It's the one I could get closest to the image, but I used a 50mm lens. So the first image is basically the full shot without any cropping done on it. So you can see what it looked like from where the camera was looking. Next one, just a bit of a drop going in, a bit of surface tension on the water. Cropped in, but you can see the waves going across the water, so the water's not breaking as such. Because it's done in a bag and the water drops straight down into it, you get quite a uniform splash. It's not like rain or anything like that. It's like the big raindrops in summer, one at a time, and you get quite a uniform splash. Next one, a little water tower with little blobs, one separate at the top. 1, 2, 3, 4 coming out. Thought that looked quite good, so I thought I'd put that one up for you. And then water crown, which is basically as soon as the drop hits the water, the crown comes out, and then the tower would come up from there. But that's the crown. Next one, I've called it a milk alien. It's a bit of a weird splash. The level wasn't quite high enough on the milk, and then you got a couple of blobs coming out. Looks like a milky alien trying to stick its head over the top of the jar. And then the last one is a milk crown. Woohoo! Yes, got one. That's showing the difference really between the water and the milk, thickness in viscosity, and that it seems to be stood up a bit more before the crown starts forming at the top. So that's it. That's all the images. Hope you had fun. Hope you try it yourselves. Maybe post some images below. Give me a comment, a thumbs up. And until next time, I'll catch you later.